Eachine has announced their own Mavic Pro clone. The E58 follows similar foldable design as the much expensive DJI drone. Of course, the specifications are much poorer and comes with less reliable brushed motors instead of brushless ones. Eachine E58 adopt passive cooling design realizes the perfect balance between speed. The drone comes with Headless Mode user no need to adjust the position of aircraft before. Flying dot size of the drone is 12.5 times 7.5 by 5 centimeters with a folded arm, with foldable arms, small size. It's easy to carry. Comes with altitude hold mode function, provides stable flight. There are two cameras can choose with 2.0 MP 720p wide-angle camera give wide-range high-definition pictures. And video. Adopts 2.4 GHz technology for anti-interference. The quadcopter fuselage is made of high strength and resistant engineering plastics, lightweight and durable resistance. Feature: Eachine E58 has 6-axis gyro, which can have more stable flying and be easy to control. Can have 3-level flight speed, a switch that can make more fun with the flying user can control. The drone with Wi-Fi function can be connected with APK system to take pictures, video. Real-time transmission through the phone camera image. Also has the feature of one-key return. With one-key return function makes it easily to find the way home. Adopts with 4-channel. Which can do ascend, descend, forward, backward, left, sideward, fly. Right, sideward, fly and rolling 360 degrees. This quadcopter comes with a 500 mAh of the battery, which took 60 to 70 minutes to charge full. The drone takes 7 to 9 minutes flying time.